Morning to everyone. In previous class, we already studied about the nutrition in plants, and today's class we will discuss about the one new chapter, that is reproduction in animals. Before going to reproduction in animals, we already learned the reproduction in plants, digestion, assimilation, digestion, and excretion. These are the main uses for the human body. As same that reproduction also used for the organisms. Can you imagine that if a reproduction is not continued in the organisms, we cannot be continued generation. And first, before we go into the reproduction in animals, we can discuss about the definition of the reproduction. First definition of the reproduction is nothing but reproduction is a biological phenomena in which offsprings or new individuals are produced from the parents. Is called as the reproduction. What is meant by reproduction? Reproduction is a biological phenomena in which offsprings or new individuals are produced from the parents. It is called as the reproduction. It is a biological phenomena in which offerings are new individuals produced from the parents. We call it the reproduction. What is the definition of the reproduction? It is a biological phenomena in which offerings are new individuals produced from the parents. It is called as the reproduction. In reproduction, there are two modes of the reproduction. First one is the sexual reproduction, another is the asexual reproduction. In reproduction, there are two modes. First one is the asexual reproduction. Second one is the sexual reproduction. First one, sexual reproduction. And then one is the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In previous year only I said that in biology, in the question they have given the answer. Already I have given the example. Take one example. Zoology. Split the zoology into two parts. Zoo means animals. Logy means to study or study. What is the definition of the zoology? To study about the animals. As same that asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. A means observe. And definition of the sexual reproduction is it is also one of the mode of the reproduction in which the fusion of the male and female gametes is called as the sexual reproduction. Definition of the sexual reproduction is the fusion of male and female gametes male and female gametes. Female gametes is called sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. What is the definition of the sexual reproduction? The fusion of the male and female is called as the sexual reproduction. Take one example. Male contains, in human beings, male contains sperm, and as same that in female, it contains the ova, egg. In female, it contains the ova, egg. The sperm and egg is fertilized due to the zygote. After it continues to the and zygote is born to the child baby, and next it gives the birth. It is example for the sexual reproduction. And again, second one. What is the definition of the asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Before only I said that A means absent, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the gametes are not involved in the fusion. What is the definition of the asexual reproduction? It is also mode of the reproduction in which the gametes are not involved in the reproduction. It is called as the asexual reproduction. It is a mode of reproduction. In which single parent is involved in the in the process of reproduction. Is called as the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Example for the asexual reproduction is budding and fragmentation. Example for the asexual reproduction: budding and the fragmentation. Budding and the fragmentation.